Hey guys, what's up? Ryan here with Tom Notch Persona. Welcome back to the page. When I was younger, I had a very hard time picturing myself as being successful, as being popular, as being somebody worthy of respect and admiration. I could see what roles I wanted to be in. I just couldn't actually put my face in those roles. And in today's video, I'm going to be talking about why visualization is so powerful. I'm going to be telling you the truth about visualization and telling you how it's so powerful to be able to see yourself in the position you want to be in before you're actually in there. But before we get into it, remember at some point today, give this one a thumbs up and remember to hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell if you want to stay up to date with my content. All right, let's talk about it. What is visualization, though? I know it's not a term everyone's going to be familiar with, or if you have heard about it, perhaps you've heard some misconceptions, but it's very simple. So what it is, it's a wellness technique that has been used for centuries to prime the mind. It is the process of using your imagination to visualize a desired outcome, especially one that may not seem possible in the present moment. So essentially, it can apply to anything. It's not just style or it's not just how you look. It can do with money, success, any of that stuff. But for the sake of this video, I'm talking specifically about style, title, position, things like that. All right. And what it really means is that you need to be able to see yourself, not only see yourself dressed up and in a powerful position, but most importantly, and here's the thing that a lot of people don't realize about this, is that you have to feel like you're in the positive position. And I know when I was younger, when I was a teenager, I, I felt like crap, honestly. I mean, I was dealing with issues with body dysmorphia, body image problems, stuff like that. I could not, for the life of me, feel like I was already in this position. So, like I said, I knew what I wanted to be and, how I wanted to dress, kind of, but I couldn't see myself as it. I couldn't feel it. And feeling is always so much more powerful than simply imagining. Now, of course, the easiest and probably the most beneficial way to begin doing this is to look around and see who is doing what. Who do you like? Whose style do you like? Whose attitude you like? Position, personality. Think about that and really start to wonder and put together kind of what you would like to be, or what position you would like to be in, right? So if you're already dressing up, you're already stylish, maybe you want to attain a higher position or get more out of your life, this would definitely work. But if you're a teenager or you're a younger guy, you're looking to start dressing up but you're not sure how, the first best step is to always look around. But the key is not to spend too much time looking around, right? Because everybody is different. Everybody's experience is going to be different. Everybody's style is going to be a little bit different. So after you've looked around and you have a pretty good idea of what you want, that's when you have to start turning inward. All right. That's when you have to start realizing that you can become that, right? So you can be that person in essence, with, well, not actually be that person, but you know what I'm saying. Like, you can have what that person has as well. I know a lot of times too, especially when you're younger and you're just starting out, you might see somebody dressed up looking super sexy, or somebody getting a lot of girls or something, and you always say, man, I wish I could be like that guy. Guess what? You can be like that guy. You just have to feel it first. And it might take a week, or it's going to take longer than a week. It might take a year, might take 2 years. Hell, for me, it took a good 5, 6 years to really get into the position I'm in today. And once I got into it, it was just, from there, it was just, oh, I've been learning, I've been growing. That's what it's all about. But It's about putting yourself in that position first. And visualization is a fundamental key step that can absolutely help you. Now, I know what you might be thinking, all right? Visualization, stuff like that, has a bad rep, right? Some people just think, no, there's no way you can visualize what you want and ultimately get it. That's all fake. It's crap. It's marketing. It's like, trying to sell something. But it's really not. I mean, it can be. And unfortunately, there are a lot of people using it for nefarious purposes. They're using it to try to make some money, try to scam people. They give it a bad rep overall, I think, and you definitely have to be careful. But the fundamental principle of visualization will always work. Now, the truth is, here's why it works. It doesn't work because it's magic. It doesn't work like you close your eyes and you're like, oh, I picture myself as Brad Pitt. Oh, I'm Brad Pitt now. No, of course it doesn't work like that. How it works is that you start to actually feel, you convince yourself that you're already that. And your brain sends signals to the rest of your body saying you're already that. So you start acting like you're already that. That's the thing. And it all results in confidence, all right? It's not like magic. It's not like overnight you're going to turn into the sexy stud you want to be. But it's a process. It's a long, sometimes very long process, like with me. But you have to believe it. You have to feel it. And once you feel it, you're going to become it. I can promise you that. It has worked wonders on my life, for my style, for my personality, for my attitude. All these things is great, but especially for style too, because I know when you're, just starting off, maybe you're wearing basic polos, you're wearing t-shirts even, you're not looking that stylish, and you look to people like, I can't think of anybody, so you look to me, and it's like, man, I wish I could be that guy. I wish I could have his style. But you can, because my style, I picked up from numerous people, right? I noticed it, I visualized it, and I became it. You can do it too. It's not that hard. It just takes dedication, persistence, and the desire to be it. What do you guys think, though? Have you ever used visualization for your style or for anything else, really? Let me know down below in the comments. I think it would really be beneficial if people felt comfortable enough to share their stories maybe with it, so that way it gives it a bit more validity and it doesn't seem like I'm just talking out of my ass here. Also, if you haven't yet, make sure you give this one a thumbs up before you leave. Remember, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell if you're enjoying my content. You want to stay up to date. Also, check out my Patreon page, link down below, if you want to receive additional perks and help support the channel. Alright guys, but remember, and visualize this, when you look and smell your best, you feel your best.